Hi friends, welcome back. After a long time, I am again coming back with some more books this year. This is the season again to release some more books. Through Medical Pharmacology Society, we are working on 3 volumes of crucial pharmacology trends books. So volume 3, 4 and 5. Almost the editing work is getting completed. Today I have a surprise for all of you because I am now unboxing our latest volume 3 of crucial pharmacology trends. It's been some time, almost 6 months. We are working hard to make this a successful one. Almost more than 100 authors are working for this project. So moderate size books are getting prepared mainly for the purpose of providing educational material to our postgraduate students who are studying postgraduate course in pharmacology. It can be MD pharmacology, PhD pharmacology, MSc pharmacology, so like this. So I'm very happy to show you all the latest edition, volume 3 here. You can see here, volume 3. So I would like to thank our co-editors, Dr. Melvin, Dr. Fullen, Dr. Mukundam, Dr. Vikashmiri sir. So all of us are working on these books. Here you can see that this is again having the author's designation and other details, and you can see the contents page in the author's declaration, and you can see all the names of various authors who contributed to this volume. So almost the chapter number 62 starts here and 95 ends. So it means that almost 33 chapters are included in this, and you will see the photographs of our recent program MPS Con 2025, which was held at Guwahati, and also our thank you message, welcome message by our chairperson of our MPS Con 2025 and president of MPS Society, the acknowledgement. Following that, all the chapters are there. So thank you so much for your support and best wishes. We have been working on other volumes also. Volume 4 and 5 will also come very soon. So all the books are having the same design. We don't want to change the design, mainly to the moment you see this design, you will definitely identify our brand name, Crucial Pharmacology Trends. So almost 165 chapters are getting edited. Already volume 3 is here with you, and volume 4 and 5 is going to come very soon. And it's been almost 10 years after establishing Medical Pharmacology Society. As the society founder, I have so much of pleasure for working for this Medical Pharmacology Society, and I'm very happy that every pharmacologist is supporting us who are located throughout India. So every corner they are located in every state, and they are joining hands. I really thank everyone from my bottom of my heart, and I would like to dedicate all these books to our friends, MD pharmacologists and MSc pharmacologists, PhD pharmacologists, whoever is interested. They can very well purchase through Notion Press, Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. These are available, and they are very available in a very concise price is very low, so almost 1,000 rupees for each volume. Earlier volumes were 800. Now these new volumes are little bit priced 200 rupees extra to cover the latest expenses. So 1,000 rupees for paperback and 1,200 for the hardbound book. So thank you everyone for your continued support, and we look forward to release the other books also very soon. So keep up the spirit, and let us work together for the development of our profession. Thank you.